flashing off the purse, getting grits off. Don't know my future price, but I can tell you what a brick costs. Crime stoppers in the DEA getting tipped off, but they ain't find a crumb last round, or they pissed off. He a six-figure nigga, but you know he keep a Glock stick.
Exotic poppin', bad bitches, I can't give a fuck. On the road with them grams, them bitches getting stuffed. Please don't play with that paper, you getting shot, fuck getting punched. I be quick to call the Reaper, come and zip me up. I be quick to call your bitch like come and eat it up. I get nasty with your bitch, LeBron finna beat it up. If I gotta call my niggas, I'ma send a blitz. I really slap 408s, what the fuck is a zip? Don't fucking call my phone tryna press me about a bitch. I fucking blast your ass, nigga, you ain't taking shit. I'm at the spot for 24, posted in the bridge. And I'm not finna answer if you not copying shit. Nigga, for real. I don't know what the fuck going on. Fuck out of here. 280, nigga. That's it. Why the fuck your ass hating? I'm trying to see you win. We get different in that kitchen, this nigga 6, keep trying to blend. They trying to spin, Juice trying to sin. I keep telling all my fucking niggas that we finna win. I stayed down 21, but 22 I'm back. Out the mud, I don't get fronted. Yo niggas not touching paint, that's why they keep bugging. How many M's you want? Okay, I want a dozen. How many bitches you want? Okay, I want a dozen. In your city, I mean, like banks, fuck Mike Levin.
Then on top of that, that motherfucker keeping heat on.
Drink. Bro, I be drinking like 2 or 3 jugs a day.
You got some that's that real life?
I didn't even turn my ESP on.
You know how when you start everything, you hold it.
Hey, and I'm getting.
Hold on, y'all ain't seeing my nigga though. I ain't seeing my nigga though. Hold on. That boy acting crazy.
She bitch. Oh, he killed that on the phone.
I need you awfully. Ain't no ask me if I cheat, cause I'ma tell you probably. Lil' mama, what's that phrase? I'm trying to taste your body. I've been dumping all day, I ain't ate since Friday. If it ain't about no money, ain't a lot to say. Niggas grew popping like bitches, starting to think they gay. If you need them fucking lows, come and shop today. Always see your ass in public, never had no bank. Osama been holding it down, sleeping with that shank. Nigga, I been holding it down, sleeping with that. Nigga, I been dumping grams, grams have been dumping me. Nigga, I ain't fucking niggas, I was taught, always put it up, never flash, nigga. Please don't play with that paper, don't wanna have to blast niggas. Don't it seem like I'm trying to get some money? If you stack the 20s up, I swear to God, you touch 100. Dude swear he flipping packs, but he getting funny. Dog press about his bitch, cause she out here fucking. You know I'm out here thugging. Don't text me what you doing, cause I'ma tell you dumping. And it's still fucking cool if you ever cross me. Being on up on my back, but y'all need you awfully. Ain't no ask me if I cheat, cause I'ma tell you proudly. Lil' mama, what's that phrase? I'm trying to taste your body. I've been dumping all day, I ain't ate since Friday.
It's
If
a
it ain't
lot
about
of
no
them.
money, ain't a lot to say. Niggas grew popping like bitches, starting to think they gay.
Which one is it? That one?
If the rap ain't working, I swear the trap is. Young niggas with lows and you better tap in. Way before the trap, we been tapped in. I was around them OGs when they had them packs in. Okay, you still talking crazy, nigga, show me 10. If the rap ain't working, I swear the trap is. Young niggas with lows and you better tap in. Way before the trap, we been tapped in. I was around them OGs when they had them packs in. Okay, you still talking crazy, nigga, show me 10. I just said fucking drop that, but I just want the fin. We put them boys on your ass, I think you want your mans. That ain't about the new 30, so his ass can't even tuck it. 6 came back to back, Drake, now he double clutch. Niggas went broke, pay no pension, they ain't got no motion. How you try to sink the fucking ship and we still floating? Dumbass, nigga, I'm trying to... Risk taking, boy, you know I'm really grit chasing. They got me in the booth, so I had to quit playing. I've been slapping all day, boy, what the fuck you saying? Gotta get these packs gone, what the fuck I look like weighing? worry about no how some niggas stay hating. Gotta be cautious with these niggas, cause these niggas stay snaking. OG had to do a 10 ball, cause his ass ain't writing a statement. We'll leave a nigga wrapped up.
Somebody just came up to me and asked me what I do for a living. I said, mind my goddamn business. They hiring too. You want me to get you an application?
Yeah, trap though, 24 shell cases on the floor. I up it and let it blow. Yeah, I got the sun.
Niggas wanna rap, then trap. Boy, you ass backwards. I just sold another fucking spank to this nigga daddy. He thought he was fucking up that bitch, but she a groupie, ain't she? What the fuck I look like cuffing sluts? He a goofy, ain't he? Nah, for real. Can't be beefing about no petty cheese. The M's ain't even come. The automatic shotty shells block some motherfucking thugs. Boy, you a fucking block. I'm in position, put him on. On the plane with them grubs, I pray to God I make it home. Never thought it would be you, nigga. How the fuck you
But go to that nigga goated.
outside nigga, need an outside bitch. I got all the techniques to show you how to get rich. I forever get this money, I don't care how hard it get. And I ain't never going broke, a nigga way too lit.
Alright. Yes, sir.
Charger.
And my side still fucked up. The fuck?
New beginnings and we winners. They just dropped the RT, oh my gosh, and that bitch spinning. I love the dubs and pink 50, so I keep breaking grams down. I can't even trust a soul, so I be quick to blast now. I know my bitch fucking off, so I'ma fuck her friend now. I know the M's really coming, that's why I can't stop freaking out. I've been chopping down that, now I'm serving shit like Brady. Can't control these phones right now, okay, these bitches going crazy. I ain't have it, so they play me, that ain't shit but motivation. Ran it up and now they hating. I know niggas that still faking, I know niggas that be caking. He ain't have it, so he taking. I keep praying that we make it.